Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to design a multi-joint in SolidWorks by using Surfaces tab. So keep watching this video till end. Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification. So let's start. First of all, we have to create a sketch on front plane. Now draw a circle and start it from origin. Define it 50 millimeter and then right click here and select surfaces. Now go to surfaces tab and select extruded surface command. Drop down these options and select mid plane. And extrusion length is 250 millimeter. Press OK button. Now sketch on top plane. Make normal to and draw another circle up to this line. Go to surfaces tab and select extruded surface command, mid plane and extrusion length 250 millimeter. Press OK button. Now click on this button reference geometry and select plane. Drop down these options and front plane as first reference and then select top plane as second reference. Press OK button. Now click on this new plane 1 and sketch on it. Make normal to draw one more circle up to this line. Go to surfaces tab and select extruded surface command. Drop down these options and select mid plane. 250 millimeter is the extrusion length. Click on this new plane 1 and hide it. Again go to reference geometry and select plane. Drop down these options and select front plane as first reference, then top plane as second reference. At this time scroll down and select this option flip offset. Press OK button. Now sketch on this new plane 2. Make normal to and draw one more circle. Start it from origin and up to this line. Go to surfaces tab and again extruded surface. Drop down these options and select mid plane. 250 is the extrusion length. Press OK button. Hide this plane 2. Now sketch on right plane. Make normal to and draw a midpoint line and start it from origin. Draw another midpoint line and start it from this point. Now draw center line and start it from this point to the origin and up to this point. Press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these center lines and make their relation equal. Now select this line and make it for construction geometry. Again draw a center line and start it from this point to this point. One more center line, start it from this midpoint to this point. Press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these center lines and make their relation collinear. Now define the distance from origin to this line 70 millimeter. Press OK button. Now click on this arrow in front of linear sketch pattern and select circular sketch pattern. Click on this box pattern axis and select origin. Now scroll down and click on this box entities to pattern and select this line. Quantity is 8. Press OK button. Now go to surfaces tab and select trim surface. Select all these pipes one by one and check this box keep selections. Press OK button. Again sketch on right plane. Make normal to and draw a center point rectangle. Start it from origin. Now define it 25 millimeter and the length is 160 millimeter. Press OK button and again select circular sketch pattern. Click on this box, pattern axis, and select origin. Now scroll down and select the entities to pattern, all these lines. Quantity is also 8. Press OK button. Now go to features tab again and click on curves, then select split line. Now click on all these pipes one by one and check this option projection, then press OK button. Go to surfaces tab and select lofted surface. Select this edge and then this edge. Drop down these options, start and constants, and then select normal to profile. Again for end constant it is also normal to profile. Press OK button. Again lofted surface, select this edge, then this edge. Rearrange these points and normal to profile, and for end constant it is also normal to profile. Press OK button. Repeat the same process for all these corners one by one. Now click on this button filled surface and select all these edges one by one. Press OK button. Same process for the other side. Press OK button. Now click on this button knit surface and select all the body. Scroll down and select merge entities. Press OK button. So all done. Now if you want to increase the wall thickness, so for that click on this button here, thicken, and select the part. The wall thickness is 2 millimeter and press OK button. So this is how we had created a multi-joint by using surfaces tab. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.